This video is going to be about the chloroplast. So the chloroplast, similarly to the mitochondria, is thought to have become incorporated into eukaryotic cells through the endosymbiont theory, which says that the chloroplast was at one point a free-living organism that was engulfed by a larger cell, and then those two organisms formed a beneficial relationship with each other. So the chloroplast stuck around and became eventually incorporated into modern-day eukaryotic cells. So looking at the structure of a chloroplast, so we have two membranes, just like we did in the mitochondria, with an intermembrane space in between them. And then similarly to how the inside of the mitochondria was the matrix, we also have a name for that in the chloroplast, except it's going to be the stroma. And in the stroma, that's where you're going to have your DNA and a lot of enzymes that are going to be important for the photosynthetic production of sugar. So now where things get a little different from a mitochondria is with these structures right here. So these are called thylakoids. So we'll write that. Thylakoids. And so inside each one, so this one, like right here, each circle is one thylakoid, and inside is just called the thylakoid space. So now every stack of thylakoids is called a granum. And so just in as far as we've gotten so far, you can see that the chloroplast is divided into a bunch of different compartments. So we have the intermembrane space, the stroma, the thylakoid space, and so it's really well compartmentalized to be able to carry out its specific functions during photosynthesis. So just to review, we have our intermembrane space between those two membranes. So the chloroplast is a double membraned organelle. We have our stroma, which is equivalent to the mitochondrial matrix. And then we have these thylakoid structures, with the thylakoid space being inside each individual thylakoid. And then these granums, which are stacks of thylakoids, are all going to be connected to one another to form a really continuous system. And so overall, the chloroplast is very compartmentalized to be able to carry out its cellular function. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true regardless of what biology course you're taking. However, the material we covered in this video is specifically referencing material covered in Campbell Biology's 11th edition. Remember that if you are an enrolled Baylor student, we do offer free tutoring on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building, and you can schedule a free 30-minute appointment to have one-on-one tutoring online, or you can stop by during any of our business hours. For more information about the services we provide, you can go to our website at www.baylor.edu/tutoring. Thank you.